Because Batman is cooler, but if you had Superman's powers, you wouldn't have to worry about all that.
You know, thank you. The less talking, the better at this point.
Mostly Ben. I felt terrible. There's a lot of differences.
Slow that for me.
He's Mexican.
It's like when you say, it's like when shut up! You cow ties something to something else and drives your car home. It's cool.
And Russ and Matt would have a romantic window table for two set aside to collaborate. Eventually.
You remember that?
Yeah, you would lock yourself in the room and you wouldn't. I'm trying to help it.
You are Russ right here.
Anybody drive a white expedition? Their lights are on.
That's cool. Was in the middle of the
That was a buzzkill.
Thanks, B-Ray. Awesome. Apparently, that was my punchline. Apparently, I like steak.
It's always funny.
Okay. Taking the time and just to let you know, there was a little. What does it say? Because Jen was like, oh yeah. What? How long have you been roasted for? 38 seconds? Come on. Hang on there.